Part 2, making the slime. If it's not sticky anymore, let's put a little bit more. Little bit more water. I hope you can see. My God, that's a lot. I hope that this usually clean and not sticky at all. Just like last time, it's very sticky. That's very funny, right? Oh my God, it's very sticky. Oh my God, it's very sticky. It's my first time having sticky clay. Wait. I meant slime, not clay. Okay, now let's let's put some more water. Okay, let's put some more water. I hope you can see. Wait. Let's make a hole. Oh my God, that's a lot. I think that's a lot. Wait, no. Can I close it? Oh, no. Please. I'm happy it didn't leak. But if I pop, there's a lot of water. WTF. Oh my God. There is a lot. I hope this is not sticky. Because it's my first time making slime. No. What happened? How can I pause the video now? By the way, there's part 3.